So you will have fun. Hi guys, today we're counting. Come on, join me.
Dapat yung pizza.
You count the pepperoni.
Of?
Yup.
What's in your hand?
So chicken. You like salt?
Okay, we will put salt on the pizza based on the numbers, okay?
I bet on the numbers.
Okay, can you start counting the pepperoni of this pizza?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 pepperoni a piece.
Okay, can you find the 7 here?
I'm gonna find you.
What are we looking for? What number are we looking for?
7. I found you. Mommy, wala na.
One more pa din, Ikai.
This one has?
Yes!
Ah!
Can you put some more salt? Good job.
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay, you put the number 7 here. This one. How many pepperoni does it has?
1, 2.
What number are we looking for, Ate Ikai?
Linda, you find the number 2. I found the number 2.
Can you show it to Dad? Okay, put some salt on it.
Mommy, wala na.
Wala na.
Mom, can I hear it?
Yeah, try again. Good job.
Wala na.
Wala na because you pour it out already. Put the number 2 here. On the side of the pizza. Can you count this one?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, we find the number 4, the salt shaker. Wait.
Found it already.
Where is it? Put some salt on the pizza. So it's yummy yummy in your tummy. Wait. How about this one? Can you count the pepperoni from here? After this, we will eat the pizza.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. You
5.
find it already? You're so fast. Now you put some salt on it. Mommy
Is
will
this 5?
Mommy will help.
Mom.
This is 5. All done. How about that one? Can you count the pepperoni?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I found it.
Show it to them. Okay, put some salt on it.
Wala na.
Wala na. Oh, you put the salt there beside the pizza. Good job. But this one is has so many pepperoni. I want that one, huh?
You don't want this one?
No, I want the many pepperoni.
I want to make pepperoni.
Okay, Yes. Can you count it first?
You want this one?
Okay.
And Daddy, what do you want?
Only one pepperoni. Only one pepperoni.
But you have only cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7.
Can you find the number 8? It has many pepperoni. Whose pizza is that? Ikai or Mom? Maybe it's for Mom.
It's very funny, guys.
Okay, you find the 8. Then I will give you that pizza. If you find the number 8.
Yeah!
You found it? Oh, you put some salt on your pizza. Good job. Good job. Now it's yummy. Oh, whose pizza is this? Is Daddy's pizza? Can you count the
But
pepperoni?
here does no pepperoni. Here
How many only?
there's one. Here have only cheese. But we make menu for that. This menu for that. Here's your menu that.
Okay. Thank you.
Can you find the number 1? 1 pepperoni and many cheese na?
1.
This one.
Yeah!
Tapos sa Daddy can eat it. Okay, last pizza. Can you count this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Good job.
Wala na!
We are done.
Now let's eat it! Mommy, this is for you.
Okay, this one for me. I have 7 pepperoni.
Daddy, this is for you.
Wow, I have so many pepperoni. Thank you.
Yeah, like me.
How many pepperonis do you have, Ikai?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8!
How about Daddy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Good job. How about Mommy?
I get this one. It has many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job.
Good job.
I will eat this now. Nom, nom,
I will
nom,
eat
nom,
my
nom.
pizza
Nom,
too.
nom, 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 nom. Ubos na!
Ubus na din.
And yours is ubos na?
Yeah, it's ubos oh. Look.
And this one, it has none.
It has none.
What are you doing?
Putting in her tummy.
Daddy, can I put this in your tummy? So you will have fun. Your tummy.
Okay, I will put this in my tummy. I'm busog na.
Oh, I'm busog na. Thank you for watching. You can.